Yeah, we're still planning to release models this year.
And I'm confident that will be available in many cities in the US by the end of this year. It's especially not just a revolution in vehicle design, but a revolution in vehicle manufacturing.
Hold on tight, because Elon Musk might be about to shake the entire EV world to its core. Rumors and spy shots of the unconfirmed 10,390 Tesla Model 2 are blowing up, and if these leaks are real, it could obliterate Chinese EV giants like BYD once and for all. If it's still not clear to edge tech and built for everyday Americans, this could easily be the biggest shakeup of the decade. We're talking about a brand new Tesla that costs less than a used Corolla, loaded with cutting-in today's video. We're diving deep into every jaw-dropping detail, from sleek design rumors to battery breakthroughs that could rewrite the future of electric vehicles forever. Want to know the best way to never miss a second? Subscribe and press notification bell so you're always first to catch the latest. How does the Model 2's shape withstand the streets of America better than Chinese lookalikes? The Tesla Model 2 brings a bold new approach to compact car design, taking inspiration from the iconic Cibert truck, but scaling it down into something far more practical and approachable for everyday drivers, while it retains the futuristic and rugged appeal of its larger cousin. The Model 2's sleek geometric lines and sturdy build make it ideal for American streets. From urban environments to rural back roads, this isn't just about looks, it's about function. The angular, ultra-durable exterior gives the vehicle the strength to withstand the kind of daily wear and tear that most budget EVs, especially the cheaper Chinese lookalikes, simply can't handle. A key innovation in the Model 2 is its cab-forward layout. By pushing the windshield and driver cabin farther toward the front, Tesla has maximized interior room without increasing the vehicle's overall footprint, measuring just 3.99 meters in length, about the same size as a Honda City. The Model 2 cleverly uses every inch of space. This cab-forward design allows for up to 12% more usable interior volume compared to traditional subcompact cars. Despite its compact exterior, the Model 2 can comfortably seat 4 adults and still maneuver easily through tight city streets or snug parking spaces. Another standout feature is the use of an ultralight stainless steel frame based on the same alloy technology found in the Cibert truck. This proprietary Tesla alloy is up to 20% lighter than conventional aluminum, while offering 40% more dent resistance. That's crucial for daily drivers who are constantly exposed to minor bumps, stray shopping carts, or narrow garages. This advanced frame doesn't just improve durability, it also lowers production costs by around 15%, thanks in part to Tesla's Giga casting process, which simplifies the manufacturing and assembly of the vehicle structure to keep the car looking new even years down the road. Tesla has equipped the Model 2 with a revolutionary self-healing paint derived from polymer technologies originally used in the medical field. This coating contains shape memory properties that respond to heat. Minor scratches and scuffs can vanish simply by exposing the surface to sunlight or warm water, typically at around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature, previously reserved for luxury vehicles like high-end Lexus or Infiniti models, is now standard on one of the most affordable EVs Tesla has ever made. The Model 2 also eliminates traditional door handles entirely, much like the Model 3 and Y. Instead, drivers can enter the car using their smartphone, a Tesla keycard, or by tapping specific sensor zones embedded in the door trim. This not only creates a cleaner look, but also slightly improves aerodynamics, adding roughly 0.2% to the vehicle's range. More importantly, it reduces mechanical complexity and removes a common failure point that affects many budget vehicles over time. Lastly, Tesla has introduced a striking new lighting signature with the Model 2 iconic T-shaped LED headlights. They're instantly recognizable. These ultra-efficient lights are visible from more than 656 feet away and automatically adjust based on external lighting conditions to ensure optimal visibility and safety. Beyond their practical function, they reinforce Tesla's brand identity, making the Model 2 stand out on the road even in fog, rain, or at night, hence making your drive safer regardless of how harsh the weather outside. What feature do you think makes the Model 2 most ready for tough American roads? Comment 1 for the stainless steel frame, 2 for the self-healing paint, or 3 if it's the cab-forward design. Why will users fall In love with Model 2, this is inevitably a total rethinking of what driving should feel like in the 21st century. The Tesla Model 2 is built from the ground up for people who want simplicity, safety, and savings without giving up modern technology. For many, especially seniors and first-time EV drivers, it's the first car that truly feels like it was designed for them. At the heart of this user-friendly design is what Elon Musk calls shocking simplicity. The interior is centered around a single Ultra Clear 15.7 in touchscreen, slightly angled toward the driver for easier visibility and interaction. This screen replaces the traditional instrument cluster and unifies navigation, climate, media, and vehicle settings into one intuitive interface. By doing this, Tesla not only reduces production complexity, but also minimizes potential failure points. This approach cuts long-term repair costs and streamlines over their software updates. While that central screen is brilliant for many users, Tesla didn't forget the drivers who prefer traditional tactile controls. This is especially helpful for older Americans transitioning from gas-powered vehicles. That's why an optional trim includes physical buttons for blinkers, horn, headlight toggles, and windshield wipers. It's a rare gesture in today's EVI market where everything is going fully digital. This shows Tesla understands the needs of real-world drivers who value familiarity and ease of use. The touchscreen user interface itself has been customized with bold text, high-contrast icons, and a simplified menu layout for aging eyes or less tech-savvy users. This means clearer visuals and less screen confusion. Quick access menus allow drivers to pin their most used functions, such as climate control or charging status, directly to the home screen. Combined with Tesla's advanced voice command system, which now better understands regional dialects and accents, this creates a vehicle that feels natural to operate even for someone who's never owned a Tesla. Before, the storage layout is just as practical. The Model 2 features a 350L rear trunk, which easily fits a week's worth of groceries or 3 medium-sized suitcases. In addition, a 100L front trunk or frunk is ideal for smaller items like a handbag or emergency kit. This results in a total of $450L of usable cargo space. That's more room